How to use n8n Cloud. So this one is typically very easy. You just need to head over to your actual cloud menu. So I have in here my cloud domain, which is tiara.app.n8n.cloud. And I have in here my actual workflows. So it functions the same as the self-hosted servers. You can see right here your projects if you would want, your credentials, executions, and the likes. I have in here this project, so adding a trigger as well as nodes is still as easy as clicking on this plus icon and choosing the nodes that you want added. For example, let's add right here an action in app, and let's add right there Apex, and then just choose right here the action that you want to do. Proceed to click on that in order to add it directly. So using this on your cloud is the same as using it on a self-hosted server. You can add nodes by clicking on the plus and then saving it as well on there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped me out.